Today we decided to go do some fly fishing on one of our favorite streams. As you can see, it's really muddy, but Dane starts us out strong.
Fish on! It's a bass. Stay! Nice sized bass. This is a little guy. I think there's some bigger ones in here. Got one. This one's a little bigger. A little bit bigger, fat. Kind of a fat fish. There he goes. No! Dig it! It's a trout. It's a rainbow, I think. Come up, yeah. I was just letting it sit behind and popping it. This is a good trout, guys. How big?
Good trout. I did what you said.
Okay, let's see if we can get it up. Uh-oh, it's running on me. Let's go down here. This is a pretty good fish. Big old rainbow. Got it. Okay. Barely had him on. Nice. It's a nicer fish. That was cool. Try getting up above it.
Yeah. I have one hit right here.
Yeah. I like, when it's this murky stuff, I like to get above the hole and let it just sit in the hole, you know?
Yeah.
Alright guys, just hooked a pretty nice rainbow. Man, he's a good fish. Looks like I'm gonna have to get in for him. Whoa, buddy. Sweet. Nice fat rainbow. Check that out. On the old streamer. That's the gold streamer. Dane always talks, usually that's the only thing he uses. Pretty dirty today, but that's a pretty good fish. Nice rainbow. Well, at least I caught something. Dane's caught a couple bass, and it's pretty dirty. If we go downstream, it gets dirtier, so I thought I'd try upstream a little and see if there was anything hitting. And I got a decent rainbow, so that's cool. See if we can catch a few more. All right, well, the spot I really wanted to try is over on those rocks and under that tree, and maybe right here. I try it right down below that rock and hook that rainbow, so let's see if we can pick something up right here, and maybe up there looks really good. We'll give it a try here for a few minutes. Oh, big fish. Look at that one. Well, my drag broke on my reel recently, like today. Woohoo! That's a good fish too. Another nice rainbow. See if he's ready to come in. Not really. I think that one's bigger than the other one. Oh no! There we go. Look at that, buddy. That's a nice fish too. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Beautiful rainbow. Hopefully you guys can see that guy. There you go. A nice fat rainbow. All right, buddy, take off, eh? And there he goes. Oh, cool. Still see him down there, barely. Cool, I've got about two casts. About 16, 18 inches. There's bigger trout in here than that. I know there's 20 inches in this creek. Well, let's try. See if we can't get another one to hit. Oh, missed one. Well, they're definitely coming up and taking this thing. Boom. There's another one. Not as big, but man, they're clobbering that streamer right now. Oh, that's a hybrid. That's a cut hybrid. Yeah. It's a little 12-incher, but a little 12-incher's a little 12-incher. Better than nothing. There we go, buddy. Yeah, a little hybrid. You can see. Man, sure looks hybrid, but I don't see any fin tips. There you go, buddy. Well, I should probably go get my dad and brother. I've caught 3 fish and 3 casts. And they're hammering it. I bet you I can catch one more right here. It is not a fluke. They are in here. And I'm nailing the rainbows right now. This one's a little better fish too. I'm gonna take him down behind this big rock and land him. Yeah. Another 14-inch rainbow. Wow. They're hammering it. We're into the zone right now. We are in the zone. Come here, buddy. Whoops, I lost that guy. Well, I'm gonna go hike down and get those guys and tell them I'm crushing it.
After I go get those guys, my dad hooks a couple fish and then it completely shuts off. So we decide to take a break and switch up the memory cards, change up our flies. It's a good thing we did, because as soon as we did our break, Dane jumps into the creek, hits his shin on a rock, falls in, and loses a GoPro Hero 8. We looked a while for it, couldn't find it, and that ended our day. We didn't catch any more fish. We did find a dead rattlesnake that I'm going to use for a mount. So we'll be back there in a week or so looking for that GoPro. Hopefully we can find it. So make sure to check out next week's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.